Hello AI champions, I am so excited to welcome you to this n8n course level 1 certification. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I will guide you step by step on how to pass this certification. By the end of this, you'll have all the knowledge and all the confidence that you need to pass this certification. So without further ado, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into it. Our goal is going to get first level certification. It's a simple course and you can do it within one seating. Our goal is to get 80% or higher. The roadmap, we are going to build two simple workflows. One is a 2-node workflow and one is a 7-node workflow. Both are pretty simple. And the way this course is going to work is mostly on instructional slides. Then we'll go on the live demo. At the end, there will be a quiz and how to get the digital badge. So let's start. First thing you'll need is an n8n. You have two choices. You can go with n8n Cloud. It is the fastest way. You can use this link to get signed up. 14-day trial free. You don't have to worry about servers, maintenance, upgrades, and if you are a team, you can also create multiple users. But for this course, it's perfect. You can use this. And a second one is self-hosted option. It gives you complete control over your instance. Your data is local and it needs a little bit more technical expertise with Dockers and containers or NPMs and node manager and stuff like that. I say this is for more of an advanced user. And Kloudbean is a third-party provider, just like n8n Cloud. However, it is a self-hosted version on n8n Cloud. You can get this up and running as soon as you create a server. You can get it up and running. I will leave it up to you. So once you get that, we'll get going. So first, let's get your n8n Cloud. We're going to sign up. Click this. It will take you. Get started. All right, fill out this form. Let's do a new account. Patharkar. I don't have a company email, so I'm going to put Sandeep for V1 at gmail.com. All right, start. Perfect. So it's going to ask you some questions. What is the size of your company? It's only me. I am other. Let's say sales. Software as a service. Google, YouTube. We don't want to invite anybody. And your workspace is starting up. So this is a quick start guide. If you want to see, you can watch it. If not, let's just wait for it to come up. All right, your workspace is ready. Now we can start automating. Great. It is literally that simple. As soon as you do this, you will come over here. All right, so we got this AI Champions 1.app. You get 14-day trial and we have 14 days to do this, to create our first workflow. That's how you get a cloud account. So now let me show you how to get your own self-hosted option on your own computer. So if you click this and if you go to this tutorial, it will show you exactly how to set your n8n with Docker and ngrok, because you need HTTPS. It will show you everything. It's a local install guide. Just follow it and you should be good. But for now, we are going to continue with our cloud account that we created. All right. All right, let's do Sandeep for V1. Send an OTP. OTP was sent. Copy. Paste, verify. ठीक है, यहाँ पे verification हो गया. Then we are going to use some account, what describes you, I agree, start building. Alright, and the account is created. So user has registered successfully. We should get another welcome to Kloudbean. We can go to the dashboard. Perfecto. This is my old account. I want to show it to you on the new one. I've kept the same passwords. Alright, you can fill out this, or I can just skip for now. And this is how you get your Kloudbean account. Similar to n8n Cloud, but a little different. This has more flexibility. Let's add a server. To show you, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to launch my free trial. We are in the free trials. I'm just going to choose this. So you choose whatever you want, but the prices start from 8. I'll put a code in the description by which you can get 40% discount for the first 3 months of your trial. And that will help you out to get started and work it out. So choose whatever you want. Based on the memory and CPU, the prices are going to change, but you're getting a hefty discount, so please utilize it. And based on the service provider, the prices may change a little bit, but let's just go with Linode over here. The application that we want to install n8n. I am close to Newark, New Jersey. We're going to name this. My n8n server name is also this thing. Application, let's put it this way, my n8n, and this is n8n. Let's get started. So for the sake, I'm going to choose this. Launch free trial. It's going to redirect me to the payment gateway. Okay. Save. Alright. So it's processing right now. As long as your credit card information is correct, you should be good to go. There will be a temporary charge of $1 which will be refunded to you. So do not worry about that. Once your credit card goes through, you should be good to create your own server. So, alright. For some reason, it did not get, but if you see, just refresh it if you see the black screen. And right now the server is getting created. So you'll get the trial ends in 3 days over here, which is good enough to complete this course. Alright, so give it some time and you should have a server up and running like this. You can go here, you can see. Alexa, shut up. I'll see, I should be able to see all the health and server of the server itself. However, this is not where your application is. Your n8n is going to be over here. I'll show you back when you go to your dashboard. This is the server that we built, and when you click over here, this is my n8n instance that I created, launch application, and this is the same screen. Once you register over here, it's the same thing like n8n Cloud. You'll get you'll have to activate your account, and over here you're going to get your own n8n instance. It's a self-hosted instance. It's a little bit different than the n8n Cloud. However, you have a lot of flexibility when it comes to your own server. Your data is private. Bells and whistles, I'll make another video, or you can check my YouTube podcast with the CEO of Kloudbean, which is Vikram, a very good friend of mine, and we have explained what are the differences between cloud and the self-hosted version. With that said, let's continue with our course. Thank you. For the next part, we are going to follow the official documentation. This is the link. I'll put it in the description. We got the n8n Cloud account. The second thing which we need is a course ID. So let's set it up over here. When you click sign up, it will come to this type form. I'm going to say Sandeep, sandeep4b1@gmail.com. Then Swan. Alright. And then over here you can see operations, other whatever, doesn't matter. I'm going to book sales. You can choose whatever you like. My coding skills, we are low code, no code. What is the first thing you want to build with n8n, agentic AI, doesn't matter. All right, you're all set to start your n8n journey. We should have received an email on our thing. All right, so if you come over here, verify your account. This is for the n8n account that we first created. We verify that account and sign into the n8n cloud. All right, we're going to name it Sandy for V1. Oh, no. All right, I think we named it AI Champions 1. Voila. Now it's asking us to create a username and password. Let's do this. Sandy for V1 at gmail.com. Put the password that you entered while creating this account. All right, it's the same page, but now you're verified. Let's close this account. Let's go back. They're giving us welcome. And now this is the email that we are looking for, which is welcome to the n8n course level 1. Let's click get started. All right, so it will bring you over here. Now we can start with our journey. Now, what do we need after this? We need basic knowledge of JavaScript and APIs. I will give it to you. However, it is not necessary. And an account on the n8n community forum. So let's go to the community forum. I'm already signed in, so I'm going to sign out over here. Log out. Let's sign up. Same thing. This one is available. Password looks good. Champions. All right. Sign. Or actually, we can sign in just with Google. That's fine as well. It really doesn't matter, I guess. Okay. So we have received an email. Let's go back and check on our email account. We got this email. Follow this link. All right, click here to activate your account. Voila, you should see the screen and you will be greeted with this. So if you want, you can go through the tips. I'm going to skip the tips. You are entered into the community, and this is the first email you'll get. Let's go back. Let's see what we got on our inbox. Nothing yet. We got 3 things. We got activated. Now let's go back to the course. I'm going to close everything else that I do not need. All right, once this is done, now it's going to take 2 hours. It's going to take longer for us because we're going to go into a little bit of details and I'm going to walk you through everything until we get to the quiz. All right. So thank you so much. This is the end of chapter 1 or level 1. And we'll moving on to the navigator in the next chapter. Thank you.